This is Citadel Oasis, located right here in Abraham Adesanya Ajah, Lagos. You know this project? This project was commissioned last year, 2025, exactly 1 year. Yes, and I made video from the scratch, from the beginning of this estate, and just take a look at what is going on today. This is an evidence that we are proving what we are showcasing. Yes, we don't just show you properties. I don't just show you properties. I make sure with whatever property I show to you, I make sure we bring it to an end. So thank you for all our clients, our prospects who called us regarding this property last year, who made the inquiry, who bought from us. The good thing is that we have this property in different locations in Sangotedo, in Abraham Adesanya here, two locations right here. So we are here today. What I'm here to do is to give you an update video of the progress of this site. Just take a look at. So you will literally see that actually people are living. You can take a look at, people are already living here. People have taken ownership of their properties. So literally we are saying what we can do. I don't work with developers who do not deliver. So this property, the developers have been very wonderful and they deliver on time within the stated period, and it has been working, no complaint. It's just pure proof. So take a look at, you can see people are living in their, taking position in their house, and you can see the progress of this site from the gate down to the estate. The road is wonderful, flood free. And one thing I like about all the estate is that they are very meticulous about the environment, about these facilities, the basic amenities of this place, ranging from good road network, flood free, constant electricity. Remember, these properties are coming with solar panels. Yes, so we have clean water, so you have constant electricity, so that the bills will not be very high. So the properties, each unit is coming with a solar panel and inverter. Yes, so right now you can see the level at which we are. You can see that work is still ongoing, and then possessions have taken place. So we still have units of different types. Right here we have 2-bedroom apartments still available. The prices are going to be on my screen. So we still have 2-bedroom apartment right here. You can see the apartments are here. You can see for the owners to take possessions. You can see. So we also have 2-bedroom terrace duplex still available, and then we have 3-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here available. So all you need to do is to make 30% initial deposit, and you spread your balance over 8 months. So you do not have any excuse of not owning a home in 2026. Yes, you can make your deposit today. I see people in diaspora, oftentimes I get to hear that some people tell me they want a communal living. This is a perfect communal living for you. Please get a property where you can interact with people, you can talk to people, you can mix and get to know people. We have a lot of people. The estate is large enough to contain everybody. You have a lot of people living here, and the estate is not congested. Yes, so oftentimes, especially people in diaspora, get a property like this. When you come back, you feel secured. When you come back, you get to interact with your neighbors. You have your kids also. We have place to relax, because in this place we have gym, recreational center, we have swimming pool, Olympic size swimming pool. Yes, trust me. So everything is, I'm showing you everything. So because we have already existing estates of this same estate, right? So all you need to do is to call me and make 30% initial deposit today, and you can spread your balance over 8 months. And then we also have this property still in Sangotedo. So whichever one you want, we have available units in Sangotedo. This one is currently in Abraham Adesanya, just opposite the Charterhouse School. Yes, the biggest British Charterhouse School. So this is where this one is. So if you are still there in doubt, you do not need to be in doubt. We have proof, we have evidence. People have taken ownership of their house. Just take a look at people's cars. People are already living here now. You can see. So please, you do not have any reason to doubt. This is a perfect match for you. Christmas will soon be here. We are in second half of 2026. Getting a home shouldn't be a problem for you. If you are still there and you are feeling scared, I can assure you that you have no reason to be scared of. All you need to do is to call me and let's start the process of your home ownership in this place. Starting from 2-bedroom apartment to 2-bedroom terrace duplex to 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. We also have 3-bedroom terrace here. Yes. So please do not be scared. Remove every fear and doubt in you and get a communal environment for yourself and children. People in diaspora, when you come back home, you feel secured. People here in Nigeria, when you buy a property here, you feel secured. You are in a community that is safe, that is secured, that is worth living. My name is Amrai. If you are still watching me up to this moment, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Share this video to your loved ones so that they can also benefit from this video update. Then until next week, I'll still update you. I promise you, I'll keep giving you updates of this property until you make a decision to get a property in this beautiful place. So until you see me on your screen again, don't forget to call me. Bye bye.